Loughborough is a town in Leicestershire, England, and is known for its university, its markets, and its historic buildings. It traces its earliest reference to the Domesday Book of 1086. This was an original record of William the Conqueror's survey of England. The town is also known for having the world's largest bell foundry. Today I'm going to show you some exciting drone footage of Loughborough. One of the most impressive landmarks in Loughborough is the All Saints with Holy Trinity Church, the parish church of the town. This church was built around 1330 in the Gothic style and has a tower that was added in the 15th century. The church has a beautiful oak roof with carved angels and buses, and stained glass windows that depict scenes from the Bible and local history. In this video, you will see the church from different angles and perspectives as I fly my drone around it and capture its stunning architecture and surroundings. You will also see some of the other attractions in Loughborough, such as the Carillon Tower, the Old Rectory Museum, and the Queen's Park. It's a short and sweet overview of the town of Loughborough and its unique landmark, the All Saints Church. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something about Loughborough and its heritage. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more drone videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.